want to play too. I want to play. Give me that. Give me that. No. No, 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 no. They're mine. They're mine. They're not yours. Okay. Oh, look at that. A-Y-U. Ayu. R. Good job.
Yay!
Hello, everyone. Hi, Bon Bon. High five. Good manners.
Perfect!
So bored.
La 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 la! Hooray!
I want to play too. I want to play. Give me that. Give me that. No, no, no. Say please when asking for something. I'm so bored. I want to play too. Can I please play with the toys? Ah. No, no, no. Say thank you when receiving something. Thank you. Wow. Oh, how many toys. Wow. Let's play together.
Oh boy!
Oh, you want one of my dolls? No. No, 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 no. They're mine. They're mine. They're not yours. Okay. No, no, no. Always share your toys with others. Yeah? You want one of my dolls? Of course. Sharing is caring. There you go.
I love it!
There you go. Let's play together. Wow.
Oh, I
Sharing
love
is
it!
caring.
It's beautiful! Wow!
Oh, Bon Bon. I'm a bit hungry. I think that we should go and eat some.
Yummy!
All right, let's go.
Oh boy!
No, no, no. Always clean up your toys after playing.
It's beautiful!
Ah, I'm so hungry. Bon Bon, I think that we should go and eat something. What do you think? Yeah? But first, tidy up time. Alrighty.
Oh yeah!
Oh, look at that. Good job, Bon Bon. Now, let's eat something.
Yummy.
Okay, so we have this game, Bon Bon, all right? You'll have 1, 2. Oh, come on. Be careful. Ah. All right. No, give me that. I need that.
Oh boy!
Give me that. I need that. Oh, come on. Ah. No, no, no. Use kind words and avoid yelling or shouting. Wah! This is the game, and here we have some letters, all right? There you go, you'll have some. There you go. All right, sharing is caring. And now we're going to play together, but I think I'm missing one. Can I have, oh, thank you very much. All right, and now let's find all the words.
It's beautiful.
Oh, look at that. A-Y-U. Ayu. R. Good job, Bon Bon. Good job. Dear.
Wow.
Good job, Bon Bon. Very good.
Oh boy.
What's that? Hey,
Ouch.
what's
Oh
that?
boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Hey, you hear me? I am so bored. Let's play together. Hey, hey, I wanna play with you. Hey. Aw, Bon Bon. Let's play together. Come on, I'm so bored. Wanna play together? Come on, please, let's play together. No, no, no. Say excuse me when interrupting or needing attention. Excuse me. Can I play with you? Can I draw with you? All right, thank you.
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much. What a nice day in the park. No, no, no. Always cover your mouth when you cough or you sneeze. Achoo! What a nice day in the park. Achoo!
Perfect.
I need yellow.
Oh boy. Oh yeah.
No, no, no. Always say sorry when accidentally you hurt someone. I need yellow. Oh, I'm so sorry. I hurt you. I'm so sorry.
Wow.
Sorry. I bet you're really happy because I'm really happy too. And you are going to be really happy too because we're going to play with the slime. Ooh, look at that. We have so many colors. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tubes of slime. That means we have 10 colors. Let's open them. Okay. Let's start. Ooh, wow. Look at that. So jelly. This is interesting. Never played with this type of slime before. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, wow. I have mixed feelings about this. Oh, look at that. Ooh. It's interesting. Ooh, wow. It's really weird.
Okay.
What color is this? It's yellow. We have some yellow slime in here. Yellow. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Yellow. Ooh!
Wow.
Look! It's moving. It's like an octopus. Okay, just stay in here. We have yellow. Slippery slime. We have green. Green slime in here. Okay.
Oh, wow!
Oh. It's like they're moving around. Look at that. White slime. White. Oh no.
Oh, I love
Okay.
it.
Next one. Blue slime.
Oh, I love
I
it.
need more paper plates, please.
Mwah.
Come on. Woo! A red slime. It almost looks tasty. It looks like jelly. Like some sweet jelly. Ooh! It's moving. Okay.
Wow.
Red slime in here. Wow. Some black slime. Black. Purple. Purple slime. Okay. Next one.
It's beautiful.
Orange. Orange slime. Ooh, wow.
Hooray!
Some dark pink slime. Oh, I love this color. Look at that. Such an intense color.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Wow. Dark pink and the last one. A light pink. A brighter pink. A brighter shade of pink. Look at that. Okay, and now, oh, don't go away. Oh, but what happened in here?
Oh, no.
Oh, now they're stuck together. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to separate them somehow. So I will have the colors. Okay, and then with all the remaining ones, we'll just make a rainbow.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, no. We have a bit of black in here. Let's take it out. Ooh. Okay.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Wow.
Black. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, what happened in here?
Oh, wow! Oh, wow!
Oh yeah.
And the last one. This is going to be difficult. Need to go in the middle and just try to take some blue out.
Wow.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Do you like this, Gigi? You don't look very excited about it. But it's interesting, I'm telling you. Oh, so much white in here. The blue one is really stuck with all these colors. But we're going to make it right. Ooh. Squishy, slippery, jelly-like. Okay, we have some blue in here, but it still has some tiny bits of white and green. Oh wow. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Look at that. Let's just mix them all together, just like that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's like a rainbow. Woo! I don't know about this. Should we? Woo! Woo! What do we have in here? We have some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Oh,
That's
wow.
correct. And we have 10 colors. What now? We have some paper plates, we have numbers, we have colors, slime. And what's going to happen? I don't know. What's going to happen? I think that a voice is going to tell me where to place each color, and I need to do that really fast. Okay, I'm excited. Let's see if I can just place the colors at the right numbers. Let's start.
Green.
3,
Green, number 3.
Blue.
10,
Pink.
5,
Oh, I love it. Black.
9,
Black.
9,
Red.
4,
Hooray! Pink.
6,
Bingo. Green.
7,
Green.
7,
Hooray! Purple.
3,
Red.
1,
Oh, I love it. Yellow.
8,
It's beautiful. Black.
2,
Should I take it from 9?
Bingo.
Number 2.
Oh yeah. White.
9,
Orange.
4,
Last one.
Good job.
Thank you! Ah! We have red, number 1. We have black, number 2. Purple, number 3. Orange, number 4. Dark pink,
Wow.
number 5. Light pink, number 6. Green, number 7. Yellow, number 8. white. Number 9. And the last one, blue, number 10. Yeah, it was interesting. Oh, I'm looking at this one. Looks like an abstract painting. Do you remember those times with pouring painting? Do you remember? What was I doing? Isn't that similar to this one? I think it is. I was a little artist today.
Wow!
Oh yeah, I think it looks interesting. It looks nice.
Oh, I love it!
I don't know about the texture, but yeah, it looks nice. Did you enjoy? I did, and I hope you did too. Hello everyone! Hi Bon Bon! Drawing challenge!
Perfect!
A castle!
to be afraid. I'll be right there, ready to live today. No need to worry, I'll always pick you up. We're in no hurry. I got you, buttercup. Na 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 na. The fastest colors in the world are red and green. And I'm so lucky 'cause my carpet's just the same. I pack my backpack and my coat, sunglasses too. We're getting ready, going flying, what we do. Spinning and turning, we rise from the room. Out of the window, we're heading up to the moon. My house looks small beneath me as we leave behind completely all I know. My puppy rides the wind, he's faster than the red and green cars far below. He'll never slow.
A car.
Brightest colors.
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Look at that. Hi Gigi, how are you feeling today? You okay?
Perfect.
Today we have a play date with all these dolls. And what are these ones? Squeezy sand. We have some dolls, we have some sand. Oh, this is going to be exciting. What shall we do with dolls and sand? I wonder. Oh, look at these dolls. They look like me. Do you know why? Look. These ones, they look like me. Why do you think? Because we all have pink hair. Look at that. Oh.
Oh, wow!
How many dolls do we have in here? Let's see them all. I'll just place them just like that so you can see them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because I have 10 dolls and 10 different colors of squeezy sand, I will just build a house. So for each doll, it will be a color. For example, for this doll, I will choose pink, let's say, and I will just build a house for her, and then a blue one for her, yellow, orange, red, black, brown, Okay, let's start. Okay, how do I do this? How do I do this? What's the right way to play with some dolls and some squeezy sand? There isn't a right way, so let's just place them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it looks like they're on a playground. Okay, let's call this the playground of shapes and colors and sand and okay. And what about some role play?
Oh, I love
Hello, hi. Oh, this is going to be a really, really fun day. Ayu is going to build us some houses. What do you think? Oh, I will have my own house. I think I want a yellow one. What color would you like? I think I would like a red
I
one.
love it.
Oh, silly me. Okay. Yellow. Yellow for this beautiful doll. Hello. Hello. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yellow.
It's beautiful.
Yellow. Yellow.
Wow.
What do we have in here? What kind of shape is this? Looks like a square, right? Let's call this a house. What do you think? A square house for one of the dolls.
It's beautiful.
Can we move it? Yes, we can.
Hooray! Oh,
There you go. Oh, the first house is ready. Next one. We had yellow. Now, green. Let's go with green. A green one.
Oh, yeah.
This looks like a
It's beautiful.
triangle, right? Yep, looks like a triangle. Oh! We have a green one as well. There you go.
Wow.
We need more room in this playground, so I need to move these shapes, but I need to be really, really careful when I do that. Oh no, the house is ruined. Let's put it back together.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
That's fine, we're on a playground, so sand can be actually anywhere, right?
Wow.
All right.
Oh, I love it.
There you go. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Oh, I love it.
I love playing with sand. Which one do you like better? Slime or sand? Or modeling clay? For me, I think it's sand. I think. And kinetic sand is really, really cool. Okay. Here we have the square and the triangle. The green triangle. There you go. Okie doke. Next one. Let's have the white one. White. Oh, look. The power.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Okay. Let's think. Let's think. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Let's make a... What's this?
Oh, wow!
Let's call it a circle.
Oh, wow!
An abstract circle. Okay. And I will choose the stone for the white.
Perfect.
There you go. All right, and now I have to move it. Okay, there you go.
Oh,
What now? What now? What now? What now? Red. One. Oh, it's a nice color. Ooh. And another one. Wow, we have 2 towers.
Wow.
Oh, but should I ruin these towers? I shouldn't because they look so nice. Ah, no, it's going to fall down. No, 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 no. Ooh, let's just try. Let's just try. Like a big tower. Oh, yeah, oh, it collapsed. No. Wow, but look at that. Oh, look at that. Just have a look. Oh, it feels so nice. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Oh, I love playing with sand, I'm telling you. Really, really, really relaxing. Oh, I think I can do this all day long. I need to hurry up. Everyone is waiting for a house. Oh, we have red. What should I do with the red one? Red, 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 red. What about a heart?
Wow.
Yes. Let's just move it in here. And I'll start shaping the heart.
Oh, wow!
Oh, I love it. Wow.
That looks about right, like a heart. There you go, we have a heart. We have 4, 6 to go. All right, blue. Blue, 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 blue.
Oh, I love it. It's beautiful.
Like a rectangle.
Bingo.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it looks like a rectangle. Okay, we have a rectangle as well, and I shall move it. Let's move it, move it. Right in here. Oh no, that's not a rectangle anymore. Oh my goodness. But we're on a playground. It's fine. It's sand on a playground, so it sounds about right, but still. Let's shape it again. Oh, and we have a doll nearby.
Wow.
There you go. Here's your house. Very nice. Okay. What color now? Brown. Brown, brown, brown. What shall we do? What shall we do?
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Let's see.
Oh boy.
So this looks like
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
square. It's a smaller one than this one, but a bit taller. So we have another square in here for this pretty doll
Oh, I
with
love it.
purple hair. Oh no, Stay there. All right. Next one. Oh, look at this color. This is my favorite. Oh my goodness, my eyes. Such a pretty color. Wow. Ooh. Oh, how can you not love this? Oh, wow. It is amazing. Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh, wow!
Wow. I really love playing with sand, especially when I have these beautiful colors. Let's make again a circle. Or at least something similar to a circle.
I love it.
Okay. And you have this pretty doll in here.
Oh, I love it.
Wow, amazing, I'm telling you. Amazing. Now we have purple. I love purple too. Purple. Let's try again with the tower. Woo.
It's beautiful.
Wow, amazing. Wow. Oh no, not again, not again. Come on. Let's just build something. Anything, just anything.
Wow.
We have another circle for another doll. Here. Nice hair. Purple. Sorry, orange. Ooh. That is purple. This is orange.
It's beautiful. Hooray!
Oh yeah! We have the orange house and the last one, the black one. I have some black sand in here. It's a bit bright, right? Oh yeah! There you go. Look at that! We have the playground ready, and each doll has her own house. We have the blue sand in here, the white sand in here,
It's beautiful.
the red one, the dark pink one, orange one, black one, oh, purple one, brown one, green one, yellow one.
Wow.
Oh, this was really nice. Yes, I loved it. Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? You okay? I'm so happy because today we're going to discuss about us, ourselves. We need a mirror, so go grab a mirror and let's talk. How do we look? Do we look good? Do we look bad? We always look good. We're always pretty, handsome, beautiful, of course. People are so beautiful. Let's describe ourselves. What color is my hair? What about yours? Let's see. Let's look in the mirror. Go grab a mirror. I'm gonna look at myself in the mirror and I can see that my hair is yellow.
Not good.
You do not agree? Gigi doesn't agree with me. Is my hair yellow?
No!
No? But what color is this? Is it... Let me take a look again. I think My hair is pink. Yes, I have pink hair. What else about me? When I look at me, I can see I have these tiny dots in here. What are these ones? What are these ones? Look, and I have so many. Oh, do I like this? I think I do. I love everything about myself. These are called freckles. Yes, Ayu has freckles. I have freckles. Tiny dots on my skin. Look at that. Am I not pretty with my freckles? I have freckles. And what about the color of my eyes? I need to take a look in the mirror. What do you think? What's the color of my eyes? Is it brown? No. Is it pink? No. What about green? Is it green? Yes, they're green. The color of my eyes is green. What about Gigi's eyes? What's this color? Look at that. Ooh, blue. Shiny blue. Oh,
It's
Gigi,
beautiful.
You're special. You're so handsome. Gigi has blue eyes. I have green eyes. But what about you? Take a look in the mirror and say it. Do you have brown eyes? Or do you have blue eyes? Or maybe hazel? Or green? Or pink? Do you have pink eyes? Oh, that would be so funny. What about gray? We can have gray eyes as well. Or black. Or light brown. Or dark brown. Or light green. Or dark green. Or light blue. Or dark blue. Oh, so many colors. People are so interesting, right? Now, what do you think? Let's try to portray ourselves in a drawing.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's a very good idea. So now that I know, because I just looked at myself in the mirror, I know I have pink hair and green eyes. I have freckles. Some people have scars. Wow, scars are magic. They're really, really interesting. And some people have really, really beautiful birthmarks. Sometimes they have a heart on their skin, or maybe a star,
Oh,
or
yeah.
a circle, or a rectangle. It can be anything, and anything is beautiful on our skin. Let's make a portrait of ourselves. I want to start drawing myself. I need a head. Let's draw the head like a circle. And then we need my eyes. Eyes, one of them, and then another one.
Wow.
Oh! Eyelashes, black. Just a simple drawing. Eyelashes in here. Eyelashes here.
Wow.
Eyebrows. And then a nose. Now we were talking about the color. I discovered that my eyes are green, so I'm going to color them green.
Oh, wow!
And then my mouth, my lips, and I have pink lipstick. So I'm going to color my lips pink.
Perfect!
What's missing? My freckles. I have eyeglasses as well.
Wow!
Now my hair.
Oh, wow!
Wow!
Hat as well.
Bingo!
Oh, this hat is so big on my drawing. It's too big.
Oh yeah! Oh, I love it! Wow!
Look at that. There's a drawing. This is Ayu. Look, this is me. Oh my goodness, look at that hat. Look at the size of the hat. It's so big. Mine is smaller, but I tried. At least I tried, right? Is this a good drawing, Gigi? What do you think?
Hooray!
I think so. So, let's say it again. I have pink hair, green eyes, I have freckles, I have pink lips, I have a gray hat, I wear eyeglasses, and I think I'm pretty.
Bingo!
What do you think about yourself? You should think about yourself that you're really pretty, really handsome, really smart. We are all beautiful, no matter what the color, if we wear eyeglasses or not, if we have freckles, if we have scars, birthmarks, if we have a really, really big hat like that, or if we don't, it really, really doesn't matter because we are all beautiful.